Oof. Okay, market just opened. Um, we just had a 30-second short give right now, but I'm not going to take that. We're selling off. Not much movement overnight. I'm going to wait for more of a reaction before I take anything. I want to see what my real target is, and then I will enter. I do like how we're kind of selling off. I want this to be the manipulation. I want us to continue up and bullish. We have a, we just tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap. I would love for a strong reaction targeting an upper 4 hour. I'd say I'm still bullish, but with how the market's been, I might just ride this, see what's going on. This was a good short over here. I just missed out. We were inside of another conflicting 30-second actually, so it wasn't amazing right here. But
Got all this liquidity.
I don't really like longs here. I'm going to look for more shorts. I want price to still rise up a little bit, and I'll take more shorts to London low. Hopefully we just don't. Okay, so I'm not going to have any entry. That's great. All right, that's London low taken out. Fortunately, we could be targeting honestly this new week opening gap. So I don't know. We're gonna have to see. There ain't jack shit going on right now. This could be a 30-second long here, but I might actually take this. Yeah, I'll take this on a retrace. If it wants to give. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out. I'm gonna stay out. I'd honestly rather just look for more shorts. I'd be in here. I'd probably put TP above this swing high. All right, good thing I stayed out. Just a little fake out 30-second long. Unfortunate, but I'm glad I decided to stay out of that. Would have been stopped out here, so. Wow. Was it just a pullback? The reason I like this long with the 30-second was because we have this untapped 1 minute that we kind of edged up here. So it's the only reason I really liked it. But I don't know. But I had no real higher time frame target yet. The 5 minute hasn't closed yet, so I would just wait. Seems like we're kind of just chopping here. I'd rather be not in this than in this, but unfortunate. I could have potentially been in this, and if it delivers, then whatever. But this was almost just an instant drawdown, you know. Like I would have been in the negative for a while already. So I'd rather wait for this 5 minute to open up, and I think we're so close to this new week opening gap that I'm just gonna stay out. So yeah. I want this 5 minute to close so I can have some targets, but like sometimes there's decent inversions like this 30-second right here that I was talking about, but honestly, like with no real target, I don't love these. Yes, I did put a buy limit, but seeing that it was delivering, like I was like, nah, it's fine. Like I'll miss out, you know. It's okay to miss out on some things if you don't think they're perfect, and I'm willing to take that risk. Wait, this 5 minutes about to open up. Hopefully we just don't ascend to it. That would be great if we didn't. It'd be amazing if we didn't. I want us to take more lows and then maybe get along potentially. I just need more, maybe another sweep or something, but we'll see. Wow. I would have been in this trade for a minute. It wasn't a bad setup. I would have took this if the 5 minute already formed, but unfortunately there was no 5 minute. So, well, the 5 minute just formed. 5 minute is where this 1 minute gap is, but hey, maybe we won't get it right now. I'll definitely take a long to this in a bit, but yeah, it's kind of a sell off here. We'll push back down, retracement. Bro, the market loves to do that recently. It'll have like a 5 minute draw and it'll want to retrace or something and it'll like kind of give and then make maybe relative equal highs or relative equal lows. And like, bro, it'll just never deliver to like the retracement draw. Like, look what's happening right now. It's insane. I'd love for potentially another sweep here. And then I would love to long back up. That'd be great. That'd be amazing. Okay, so we have a small 30-second gap right here. We swept lows again, just like I said. If we end up inversing this gap, I will definitely take this trade. I'll definitely go break even probably here and TP up to this 5 minute. But we'll just see. We're getting some movement. Okay. Tapped into this 30-second. I'm just gonna wait here, be patient. I'm gonna take this small 30-second inversion over here. If we actually inverse it. Okay, we did not inverse. I repeat, we did not inverse yet.
Me, for example,
I'm still going to wait here patiently for this 30-second maybe to be potentially longed. There is a 30-second short as well. Let's see. That we tapped into right here. It just depends because this upper 5 minute is a great draw, you know? Like, I would love this, but we do have new week opening gap as well. That's kind of cooking us, so... Yeah, we're moving up. I don't like how we just swept this and we're not even going to inverse this yet. Yeah, we didn't even inverse it yet. We're literally just stuck between these two small 30-second gaps. I'm probably not going to take this upper 30-second gap trade just because we're chopping so much. I might take shorts, honestly, though, because it really does seem like we just want shorts. If we have a good close up, I'll take a long, but I don't like how we're chopping so much. It's not my favorite thing in the world. Like we just moved all of that and we didn't even inverse. Like, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is just stuck between two 30-second gaps. I don't know if I love this. I may take a retrace. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take a retrace if I can't. Yeah, no, it's cooked. That's already cooked, unfortunately. Damn. We swept this high on the 30-second. I really don't want to do anything with that. You know, I'll definitely be okay with us tapping this 5 minute and I'll look for shorts potentially, but yeah, this is a great trade. It just unfortunately took out my break even point right here. I would go break even here, but it literally closed on the break even, so it's unfortunate, but it's fine. Shit happens. Okay, so this was just an unfortunate trade. We kept edging the shit out of this 30-second. It's just unfortunate. What I do like though is hopefully we can tap up into this 5 minute gap, which we're about to right now, and then potentially shorts out of it would be great. But this 30-second wasn't good because we took out this swing high right here, and I would love for that to be my break in. If we closed right here, maybe right here, got a retracement entry on this gap, would have went break even there, targeted here, ended up playing out, but you know it's okay, happens. I do like more shorts now, but unfortunately that 30-second long just did not play out for me exactly how I wanted it to. We took out like a great break even target, so it's all good. Or we'll look for shorts now. If this 1 minute gives on the left, I will take that 100% right here. Yeah, just an unfortunate thing that happened on that 30-second for those longs. Happens. I like this 1 minute short that may potentially give here. Okay, it's holding with this 1 minute. Okay. Just gonna be patient. Damn, I guess we're rallying up here. I don't like this 30-second short that much, honestly. I'd rather wait for confirmation down here with this 1 minute. That's just me. I think that really is just me. We are tapping up into this premium. Honestly, this 30-second isn't terrible. I'll probably end up taking this 30-second if it gives. Just to be honest. We're tapping up into a premium on this range. The only thing I'm worried about is this 15-minute fair value gap may form soon. So that's one thing, but yeah, unfortunate that that 30-second didn't play out. Kind of annoying, but it's whatever. At times like these, you just wait, be chill, be patient. There's not much you can really do when market's moving pretty fucking slow. So it's all good. You just wait. Got to be patient. Find the best setup and don't force anything. It's the best thing you can do. So yeah. Shorts here honestly don't look half that bad. Um, I need this 30-second kind of get to give a short more, and I take a strong pullback. A 1 minute inversion happened, but we're still inside these 30 seconds, so I stayed out. Um, this 30-second short doesn't look bad, but I think we're just gonna run through this shit. I'll take a short here if I can to this lower 1 minute. Definitely want a good retracement though. That's the only thing. I'll take a short here if I can. I do want it to push back up just a little bit. Ah, damn. All right, cooked. Damn. It's unfortunate. It's okay. Just this lower 1 minute was tapped, so I stayed out. This lower 1 minute gives though, I'll definitely enter. Unfortunate. No retracements today, which is fine. I understand that. We're about to inverse this 5 minute as well to the downside in about 2 minutes, so I'll definitely wait on this 1 minute short. I do like it. Little retrace, that's fine. Damn, unfortunate we didn't get that retrace. That would have been a perfect trade to this 1 minute. But shit happens, I guess. I do want to see this 5 minute get inverse that we're in currently. That would show great confluence to the downside. I'm definitely down for a little pullback if that's what this wants. But I will be taking, I like shorts. I like this 1 minute short here. I do in fact really like it. I will take 1 minute, 1 minute shorts here. All right, 1 more minute till his 5 minute inverses. I would love to see an inverse with a close as well. We always give a couple points, I think, with that. So we'll see. I would like this upper 1 minute to get tapped into, honestly. Would love for this 5 minute to get inverse. We tap into this upper 1 minute and then we kind of get more shorts or something like that. Okay, so yeah, this 1 minute is going to close with this 5 minute. We'll see how it reacts. We'll see what's going on. The higher time frame's showing a strong wick down, but it didn't really follow much, and now it is. But we'll see. Waiting on this 1 minute. Swept out some liquidity. I think that's fine. I'm not worried about that. I will be looking for a retrace entry. I want a good entry here. So yeah, I'm gonna take that here. I'm gonna take a good entry here. I want a good stop. So that's what I'm gonna look for.
Order filled.
That's fine. Pullback is always good. I'm gonna look for a couple points here. Nothing crazy. I don't like this candle that much, but we'll see.
Order filled.
Green bean. What is that? 200 points? I'm at that 200 points. 10 points, perfect for me. It's a no news Monday. I'm gonna take my profits. I'm gonna get off. Super good trade. I'm happy with that. 1 minute inversion, retracement entry. I could have had a way better retracement. Great stop. Being protected by this 1 minute order block right here. Right here. Let me show y'all. Okay, so I circled it right here. We have this 1 minute order block. We have an upper 1 minute fair value gap as well. I got in for 10 points, got in off a retracement, super good short. Rejection off the 5 minute. We had a inversion on the 5 minute, caught the end of the swing, and that's perfect for me. Also a 30-second rejection as well. Rejection off the order block, but really good trade for me in versus lower 1 minute. Yes, we swept out this swing low right here, but I got in on a retrace. Definitely could have gone in on a higher retrace, but that's fine by me. I'm happy. I'm happy with it. I'm pretty sure I just secured another payout. So I think it's another $2,000 payout. So I'm happy with that. Adding to this month's total, which is great. But that's going to be it for this morning for me. Super small trade. I'm happy about it. But yeah.